Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is very important for 24 as well as for the 23 batch and the previous batches. What about the NFTQ examination timelines? How to apply for NFTQ job opportunity? Because there is a certification plus direct job opportunity from Infosys. Free preparation, what is the exam process? You can earn up to 3.6 to 9.5 LPA as they are giving so many different opportunity. So this video is related to Infosys. In the upcoming video we will talk about the other top MNCs. So if you are from 2024 batch or other batches like 25 batches, so you can join this group. 23 batch group link is in the description, you can also check. So basically what is the NFTQ certification examination and what about the NFTQ, like what about the NFTQ certification? So basically for the 2023 batch, previously on the previous year we already uploaded so many good videos that is related to each and every single preparation. So what about the 2024 batch strategy? Because Infosys certification page is announced on the NFTQ portal, and if you are from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MCM graduating in 2024, so you can apply for this opportunity. There is the examination process of qualifier round. After that there is a certification round and there is a advantage round. But how to register for this opportunity? Let's discuss in today's video. First of all, NFTQ opportunity is only for the 2024 batches. Okay. For the 2023 batches it is completed and for the other batches it is previously completed. Okay. NFTQ का नोटिफिकेशन कभी भी आ सकता है इन द अपकमिंग मंथ. इट इज टोटली डिपेंड्स ऑन द इन्फोसिस टीम. बट प्रीवियसली फॉर द 2023 बैच ये दिसंबर में रिलीज हुआ था. सो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली चांसेस है इन द अपकमिंग मंथ वी विल सी द नोटिफिकेशन दैट इज रिलेटेड टू NFTQ एग्जामिनेशन. बट हाउ टू प्रिपेयर फॉर दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी? We will share free videos, okay, free preparation videos of each topic and of each syllabus that is related to NFTQ examination. Okay, so this is one of the most important point. But this is the hiring for 2023 batch. But what about the 2023 batch hiring? What about the 22 batch hiring or other batches hiring? Okay, so 23 batch system engineer hiring is still remaining. But according to the current situation, the timelines is not decided for the system engineer hiring. Okay, it will totally depends on Infosys team when they will announce this hiring, because this hiring is not announced and this is one of the mass hiring from the Infosys team. Okay, so you have to wait. In the system engineer hiring, most probably they will give the 3.6 LPA as a package. Okay, because there are the three roles that is in the Infosys examination: SE system engineer 3.6 LPA, DSE 6.25 LPA digital specialist engineer, and after that there is a specialist programmer or so-called power programmer 9.5 LPA is the package. These are the three package and it is related to the NFTQ examination and the hack with Infi examination. Okay, in the upcoming video we will discuss about the hack with Infi, but hack with Infi and NFTQ are very similar. This is the main examination which you can earn the certification, and this is the hackathon. Okay, so basically for the 23 batch or for the other batches, totally depends on Infosys team when they will announce the system engineer hiring. But don't worry about your 2020, don't worry about the preparation of top MNC. If you are from 2024 batch or other batches, previously we made so many good videos that is related to preparation. Okay, we made a video that is related like what is NFTQ exam, what is exam process, certification round, advantage round, Python syllabus, Java syllabus strategy. This video is only reminder for 2024 batch as well as for the other batches. If you are preparing for Infosys, this type of certificate will be awarded to me, and I already cracked the examination in the 2021 year. Congratulations once again for getting qualified as Infosys certified software programmer. So मैं आप सभी को प्लीज ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि choose one programming language, because there is a qualifier round in which there is a mandatory exam of programming and database management system which include aptitude question as well. Okay, so aptitude भी आएगा, programming भी आएगी, DBMS भी आएगा. प्रोग्रामिंग में दो लैंग्वेज यहाँ पर अलाउड है, जावा एंड पाइथन. So I suggest all of you to, you can check so many different courses from here. Okay, basically Infosys team provide the Java as well as Python courses here. So you can check these courses. This will help all of you in your preparation, and you can also solve the sample test, that it will give you more added advantage in the examination, like what type of question will ask, what is the pattern, and what about the frequently asked question, you can check on the website. So basically go to the portal, fill form. Okay, don't do any mistakes, single mistake while filling the form. If you are from like particular courses, so you are eligible for this opportunity, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, any branch. Okay, any, like computer science, IT, mechanical, civil, electrical, aeronautical, any branch you can apply. So this is all about the InfyTQ examination. I hope this video is really helpful for all of you, and timelines jaldi se jaldi aane ke chances hai. So prepare for the examination. If you have any queries, let me know that in the comment section, friends. Thanks for watching the video.